Hi Ed, I hope that you are doing well. I just finished up on my COA, how to warm up to potential clients on Messenger. The best part about this program is that I don't have to post on every social media. Love you for that. As a hairdresser, that's all I did. And yes, I understand that you have to post the before and after, but the fact that I don't have to be a clown no more to get attention, I love you for that. The only thing that I'm having problems with is that you haven't taught, but me being new to the whole coaching program, and just so you have an idea, I coach I'm new completely. Like, I've never done this before other than giving it in free information for free. Coaching beauty professionals how to build their clientele. I did that. I moved to a different state, started from 0 clients. I had my own suite and built like that. So that's my coaching thing. I just don't know how to do mods, like set it, the modules, set it up and then have them. I'm working on it. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I don't know if that's one of your programs on the next step, but I would love to do that. I do have a couple. So far I had like maybe 3 to 4 leads, and I have 1 appointment tomorrow. So I am nervous and excited at the same time. I can't wait. So I'm getting all my paperwork, and before I have the one-on-one, have everything ready to go. But everything else, I love everything about your program, the mindset, everything. So thank you for that, and hope I see you soon.